Hi, good afternoon. These notes are on volume of prisms. So let's kind of go ahead and get started. So volume pretty much for most shapes is just going to be big B times H. Your big B is just the area of the base, and then H is just the height of the prism. So right here we have a rectangular prism, so big B times H. So really the formula, the base is a rectangle or square, and so its area, so the base would be length times width, and then that times height, and then we can simplify that just to length times width times height. So for this problem right here, we would just do 7 times 15 times 18, and then when you multiply those three numbers together, your product is 1,890 inches cubed. Since we are finding 3 dimensions, it is going to be to the third power. All right, this one we're going to have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 times 9 times 4, or 6 times 4, which is the base, times 9, which is the height. If you flipped it on its side, the base could be 4 and 9, and then, its height could be 6. So really, because of the commutative property, we can multiply these three numbers together in any order, and it'll still give you the same product. So 216. So 216, we'll just say units cubed. All right, triangular prism is really cool because a triangular prism is just half of a rectangular prism. So really you could just do length times width times height divided by 2, or if you want to kind of be a little bit more specific, we can look at the base shape, which is a triangle, and the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2 times height. So this one gets a little tricky because you have two heights. This is the height of the triangle, and this is the height of the prism. So you will be using two numbers normally. So base times height divided by 2 times height of the prism. So right here, your base is your triangle. Okay, so its area is 18 times 22 divided by 2. And then your height is 30. So 18 times 22 divided by 2 gives me 198. And then times 30. So 5,940 meters cubed. All right, this triangular prism, this triangle, its base and height is 29 and 31. So 29 times 31 divided by 2, and then times the height of the prism is 50. I know that seems weird because you would think, oh wait, shouldn't 29 be the height of the prism? The height of the prism is when you connect your base to your other base. So this one's kind of like it fell on its side. So if you were to stand it up, this would be your base shape. So when I multiply all that together, 29 times 31 divided by 2, and then times 50. Ooh, a rather large number. 22,475 centimeters cubed. And then the last shape you need to learn tonight is cylinders. Cylinders is a base shape as the circle. So the base shape is a circle, so it's pi r squared. And then times your height of your cylinder. So here's your formula. And we just need to use it. So let's find the area of the circle. So pi times 11 squared times 26. We're going to use 3.14 for pi times 11 squared times 26. And I'm just going to type this all on my calculator. And I get 9,878.44. 9,878.44 inches cubed. All right. This cylinder's on its side, but its base shape is still a circle. So pi times half of 26 is 13 squared. And the reason why I cut 26 in half is because this is the diameter. So half of 26 is 13. And then times 35. And then I'm just going to put that in my calculator. Another rather large number, 18,573.1 centimeters cubed. Okay. So those are the basic three shapes that I wanted to talk about tonight for volume. So your homework tonight is going to be to complete 1 through 9 here, and as well as 1 through 8 here. Once you start getting in the hang of it, the problems won't take very long, like maybe a minute, 2 minutes. So if you have any questions or any comments and you want to leave them at the bottom of the video, please let me know or ask tomorrow in class. All right, thanks. Have a great day.